નમસ્કાર, કેમ છો? હા, અમે બધા અહીંયા સારું જ છે. Now, એમ તે મને she doesn't call me in her video because she's saying, Mama, only when I tell you that time come. So I said, ठीक है, now if you want like that, then what can I do? But today, एकदम જ રહ્યા વગર આવવાનું જ નહોતું, एकदम emergency it was. So here I am with the video. Now, one thing I want to tell you all that she only listens to you all. So that's why I had to make the video so that you all can put some brains in her head. One dumb girl she is. That full day she wants to eat kachra only. Now if I tell her, beta, kitna kachra you will eat for dinner also, you want pasta and pizza and bread only you want to have the whole time, what can we do? So she's like, Mama, but I'm having good lunch no. Arey, 1 second, what good lunch? It is healthy lunch first of all. You call pizza good food, then lunch cannot be good food. It has to be healthy food. Then she makes me count, okay, Mama, lunch is so good, it is healthy. So I said, full day you have kachra, then your one lunch will be suffice so that your full day ka kachra will be good for your health. No, you have to have something healthy other than your lunch also. Like, no, Mama, one roti, one sabzi is okay now. Itna to I'm having, others are not having that much. Who cares about others? I am mothers of others or what? I am her mother, no? Then, full day. And then, Mama, can you make good dinner? What is good dinner? Every day she wants to have bruschetta, enchiladas. I can't even pronounce their names. Quesadilla and what quesadillas, God knows, it is so confusing. But she wants to have all that with bread. That girl cannot eat the same food throughout the day. But bread she will eat for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner. Mama, breakfast make avocado toast, no. Make bread and butter, no. For dinner make pizza, no. Make bruschetta, no. Are you mad? Itna who has bread? Full day bread જ ખાવાનું છે છોકરીને. And then when I tell her that, see Soumya, when we were young, no, we used to have roti sabzi for lunch and then paratha sabzi for dinner. She said, no mom, your generation is different. Arey, what your generation? When you will grow old, you will not be able to even go to work 4 days a week. Itna bad your immunity will be. And see, when you grow up, thodi na you will just do work. You have to study with it. You have to handle so many things together. At the age of 50, I can run the whole house. But when she will be 50, on her bed full time sleeping, nothing she will be able to do, nothing doing at all. Then I tell her that, beta, see, listen to me. She's like, no Mama, full time you give me lecture, bhashan, and then I don't want to talk to you only. I don't want to talk to you. Then you don't talk, I don't talk, we are good. Other hidden rule in her God knows what rule book she uses, that no two cuisines should be together. No, if I make dosa tonight for dinner, then no idli tomorrow. It has to be alag. As a one day dosa, one day pizza, one day pasta. Every day I have to be cooking. And then when I tell her, come Soumya, come for help, do some help me. So she says, okay. Then I have to plead to her. Then she comes and helps me. And usme what? She washes 10 utensils. And then she's like, Mama, now my hands are paining. One day she will mop the house, not even the house actually, only her room. And she'll be, no, I have backache. Itna bad her immunity is. One work, I tell her, 10 days she'll make me count. Mama, remember that day I did that. Mama, that day I did. Arey, shut up, I do your work every day. I make you count? No. Then why do you make me count? Bolo. આવું કઈ હોય? That's why હું આવી છું, to tell you all કે એને કઈ સમજાવો, tell her something so that in her brain she can understand what is good, what is bad, so that she can build her immunity. Now one day she will go out, she will get corona. Why? Immunity is only bad. Now what to do? I make kadha every day, I make soup every day. Everybody in the house drinks, everybody. No Mama, I am strong only, I can do this. One gas ka cylinder she cannot pick. No, I am strong only. My foot strong. આવી મોટી થાકી ગઈ છું એ છોકરીથી. હવે હું સોચું છું કે every week I come here, or every month actually I come here and share with you all her actual habits. Then you all will come to know what type of girl she is. જેવા નહીં બનતા, please do your work on time and complete these things of like, share, subscribing. And if you all have extra time, comment also. नमस्कार.